My name is Robert Pearce, and the question often asked is, why should I hire you to represent me in a FINRA arbitration? And one word sums it all: experience. Experience counts. In every field, you would want the most experienced attorney to represent you in a FINRA arbitration. And I think I can say unequivocally that I am one of the most experienced FINRA arbitration lawyers in the United States of America. And that's because I started in the very beginning, back in the early 80s. I've had over 40 years of trial experience, both as a representative attorney of the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, and 37 years of experience representing both investors and financial advisors and stockbrokers in FINRA arbitrations. I have filed hundreds of FINRA arbitrations representing thousands of investors. I've settled hundreds of arbitrations. I've recovered over $125 million in the last 20 years for investors. And that's when I began to count. There are tens of millions of dollars that I've recovered before then in representing investors. So not only have I worked as a trial lawyer on both sides of the table in FINRA arbitrations, but I'm a FINRA arbitrator, I'm a FINRA mediator. Judges have commented on my abilities in securities law litigation. One judge in Connecticut wrote, "In short, Attorney Pearce has the knowledge and skill gained over years of specialized training on the minutiae of broker-dealer practices and procedures in SEC enforcement proceedings, which could not be obtained by a competent practicing attorney through routine research or legal experience. For the last 25 years, I've been rated by my peers in Martindale-Hubbell as AV, which means I am one of the preeminent lawyers in this practice area. In the last 7 years, I've been ranked by my peers in the Thomson Reuters Super Lawyers poll as being one of the top 5% in securities litigation in the United States. You should hire me because I believe practicing law is still a profession, not a business. I am someone that will not take your case unless I believe that we can win and I'm willing to go all the way through an arbitration. Many lawyers out there will just take a case, hopefully get a quick settlement, and if they don't, they'll drop you. That's not me. I'm not going to take your case unless I believe you're going to win and we're going to go all the way.